So friend, here we are on the goal characteristic number 20 of the successful people. That is, the successful people, they are highly goal oriented. What is goal? So goal is any desirable objective, any dream which is yet to be achieved. And the successful people, they constantly they work upon their goal. So what is this characteristic mean? So basically, that successful people, they will focus on the target rather than the problems which are coming on the path while they are traveling towards their target. So few advice to always remember the target is to write down your goal on daily basis or regularly. So this will remind you that okay, this was your initial goal, currently where you are, and while doing this you will forget, or you will more focus on the goal rather than concentrating on the problem, because problem will be solved. You have to just work upon it, and it will be it you will easily you will be overcome. But if you forget the target, if you miss the target, then you will never reach in that direction. So it is very important for to get the success, that you should always keep remembering, keep reminding yourself that this is your goal, and be you should be moving towards that. So there is one saying, or there is one message from this particular characteristics is like, if you are not focusing on your goal, then there are 100% chances are there that you will be working for someone, or you will be doing the work for someone who himself or herself is goal oriented. So you will help them to achieve their goal, but your goal you will never achieve, because you are fulfilling their dream. You are doing the work for them, and you are fulfilling their desire, and they will achieve the goal. So this is the message from this particular characteristic of successful people. You should be always focusing on your goal. Thank you. I will come with another characteristic.